This is my camping setup 2020 version 3.0. This is a cheap Grand Cherokee, and I took the back seat out, only left the backrests. So the backrest folds flat like this. I had to remove the headrest from it because it's taking out room. Right now there's so much room in here, it goes through the entire car. So basically from here to the front seat. I have a little camping table here. I just needed something to bridge this gap here, and it's a good thing to have with me. This is my swimming setup. All my swimming gear is in this one bag, and like all the wet stuff is in here. Like it's like a tray from a fridge. So when I go swimming, I have my wet stuff. I just put it there to dry. And the windows are open always. I took this mosquito netting, and the kit came with the Velcro, so it attaches to the Velcro. So when it's winter, I'll just remove this. It sticks on really good, and it keeps out all the mosquitoes and the flies. So this here is like my cupboard, basically. I have these storage boxes, so I can extend and contract all my storage with these. They go into like a flat piece. In the rear, I just put a normal office cupboard, so I have all my stuff here. It has these separators, keeps them moving around. It's really handy. I'm surprised I didn't come to this earlier. You know, 3D printing, very important when camping. And like various stuff is in here. Since the Jeep is all like, it has so much spots to put stuff, like all my like towing straps and cargo straps are in here, just in case something happens or whatever. So this is the bed. I'm 1.9 meters, so I'm quite tall. The front seat is all the way front, and then I have basically a tabletop there, and I cut like a notch in there for the middle handrest. And this is from a Caravan. It's a foam mattress. I used to use air mattresses, but they're just so uncomfortable. Even when they're full, they're uncomfortable. But the foam mattresses was like sleeping in my own bed. Of course, having my own pillows and blanket from my own bed helped with the own bed experience. I did bring these for like side pieces. I was worried all the pokey things are gonna poke me in the night, but I threw them away the first night because I'd rather have some tiny poking things at me than no space. I can sleep here on my side, it's quite nice. I'm a big guy, so this you can see the window from outside. It's not very rainproof, but there's no rain here in Estonia during like this summer or this time in summer. Basically, here you can see the cutout. I duct taped it so because it didn't have a rasp. So it won't cut me. And basically all the storage is like under this. This hangs in the air. It's nice, it's not flexy at all. It's just a normal office desk plate. I got many of these. You can use plywood or whatever. And the cupboard is actually quite nice when you sleep. It gives you a nice resting point for your feet, and I like it. I have this little board here because these are really sharp. So when I sleep, this is like a stopper plate. And yeah, in that crate I have all my water in these little 1 liter water bottles. All my like secondary footwear and stuff is in here. This is like my front door. That's the trash bin. This is my linen cupboard. And all the clothes I'm currently wearing, I don't want to put them back into the clothes sack. And yeah, I'm gonna throw these out next time I'm traveling, because these are pointless. In the front it's just a normal car. I like this setup because my seat is like the way I like it. So it's okay to have this seat really far forward, so everything can stay in place. I really like that you don't need to pack anything. I just close the doors and start driving. This is awesome. You cannot underestimate how awesome that is. In my previous setups, I used to have to deflate the air mattress and pack all the stuff, and it was a hassle. So this is quite a lot nearer to the actual camper van experience. But yeah, having a camper van is much better. The mosquito nets block some of the light, but they basically don't block UV, so you'll get burned through these. I have this coating inside, so that blocks UV. And the rear hatch, actually, I don't know, it's only on Jeeps, I think. I like this. So that was my view when I was sleeping. The sun is probably blocking you, but basically as close to the sea as possible. So next up, I'm gonna add some insulation on the top. It's gonna make the car better anyway. More soundproof too. Yeah, this is my camping setup currently.